Night brush. This is not fun. It's not sexy. This is real. Twice a day, every day, for 2 minutes. Open. Always gotta look at inside your mouth. Especially if you haven't seen. Make sure that lip is pulled down. Hold 2 minutes. Corner. Good, 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 good. Done. Floss. About this long. Open. Very good. Very good. My good patient. My good patient. Okay, put your... Alright. I really believe that you should floss every time you eat, every meal. And then use toothbrush and toothpaste beginning and end. Let's see, I have to think about what environment am I keeping my toothbrush in. Not like this is any better. Anyway, done. Now we floss. Okay, back up. It's long enough. Open. In the mornings when you should feel like this is the cleanest your child teeth can be. Because you brushed it at night and you brushed it in the morning. Done.